Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to train with 10 academic core words from the academic word list. These words will make your English sound professional, smart, and confident in any academic setting. Let's dive in. Word 1. Analyse. Say it with me. Analyse. 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 Now shadow me. We analyse data to find patterns. One more time. We analyse data to find patterns. Smart start. Word 2. Assume. Say it. Assume. 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 Shadow me. We should not assume the results are correct. Again, we should not assume the results are correct. Dangerous assumptions. Word 3. Concept. Say it. Concept. 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 Shadow. The concept of justice is difficult to define. Again, the concept of justice is difficult to define. Deep thinker mode. Word 4. Context. Say it. Context. 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 Shadow. The meaning changes depending on the context. Once more. The meaning changes depending on the context. Context really matters. Word 5. Significant. Say it. Significant. 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 Shadow. There was a significant difference between the two groups. Again, there was a significant difference between the two groups. Impressive word. Word 6. Establish. Say it. Establish. 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 Shadow. The university was established in 1950. Again, the university was established in 1950. A solid foundation. Word 7. Interpret. Say it. Interpret. 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 Shadow. How do you interpret these results? Again, how do you interpret these results? Tricky question. Word 8. Identify. Say it. Identify. 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 Shadow. We need to identify the key problems first. Again, we need to identify the key problems first. Spot the issue. Word 9. Principle. Say it. Principle. 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 Shadow. This theory is based on scientific principles. Again, this theory is based on scientific principles. Strong foundation. Word 10. Function. Say it. Function. 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 Shadow. The heart's main function is to pump blood. Again, the heart's main function is to pump blood. Biology meets English. Fantastic work! You've just practiced 10 academic core words. Analyse, assume, concept, context, significant, establish, interpret, identify, principle, and function. The more you listen, repeat, and shadow, the more natural and confident you'll sound in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who want to level up their academic English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next session.